YouTube is a great platform to share value to other customers and not only for the monetization purpose. Hey, I'm your friend Kenith Shah. As you read the title, let me ask you another question. Whatever work you do, what is your main goal towards your customer? What is your main mindset towards how you look to a customer? Option A, money making. Option B, value delivering. Well, I inform you, if it's option A, then you might fall into a big trouble. Now, some of you might say that whenever you want to do any work, it is the money making process that drives you. Yes, I totally agree with you. It is the only money making process that drives all of us. But people misunderstand that it is the only money making process and not value delivering. As it is saying that money is a byproduct for what value you serve to your customer. It applies to all top MNCs, to all top companies, to local areas, shopkeepers, all, and it also applies to the student. Now, a salon who is in the local area, they can give more value to their customer by giving more hairstyle designs, cleaning, maintain hygienic and say well-behaved manner towards their customer, and in return the customer will give them the money. It also applies to the students, like the student who wants to become a CA in future. He or she should always learn proper in education so that in future they can give value to their customers by all assets and liabilities. And it also applies to the engineering field, to the doctor field, and a whole lot of student field. So that whenever they want to give value to the customer, the first thing is their education system should be very strong. So this all applies to all field. Now I know some of you will say that it's just a saying and there is no proof about it, but for that question I've learned a little bit more homework and I've collected some data. So what data says that there are two companies, Apple and Microsoft, and whatever I will say, it is during a reign of 2000 to 2010-11. So Steve Jobs, who was the CEO of Apple, and Steve Ballmer, who was the CEO of Microsoft. Steve Ballmer was a CEO, is a type of a person who is more concentrated towards revenue extraction, and unlike Steve Jobs, Apple company, who is more likely to concentrate upon the value creation for customers. So in the reign of 10 years, Steve Ballmer was the CEO for 2000 to 2014. In his reign, he saw a 40% slip in stock market of Microsoft. They were releasing many products, but it all got failed. But why is that? Because that company was looking about only revenue extraction. They was releasing their products as they want to earn more money from that product, but they are not looking about what customer needs. This helped with Apple. Apple always looked about value creation, what our customers need, and then they released that product in the favor of customer, and they took over Microsoft in revenue, and it shows that value creation is way more greater than revenue extraction in longer term. So whatever we work, you have to do many value creation towards your customers, and not only because of money. And the person who is doing YouTube is a great platform to share value to other customers and not only for the monetization purpose. The person who is doing a YouTube, who is sharing videos on YouTube, they should look upon what value can I give to my viewers so that they can be helpful from my video, and not only that I should post my videos so that I can earn more monetization. So this will help you in the longer run if you choose value creation over revenue extraction. And at last, I will say only one formula to earn money is that value served into people served is equals to money earned. The more value you give, the more multiplication it will happen and the more money will grow. And if you give value and if you give zero value to the customers, as you all know the basics of multiplication, money is also zero. So here's what I want to convey to you, and in the future always choose value before money. So if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell, so in future you will get more knowledgeable video from my side, and I'm not doing for the monetization purpose but for the value creation. Thank you so much. Bye bye.